Number 5A, Augustus Drive in Berwick is a unique opportunity. With a short stroll from the Eden Rise village, schools like Berwick Chase Primary, Brentwood Park Primary, Cambria College, public transport, hospitals, cafes and eateries, Chisholm TAFE, Federation University, easy access to Monash Freeway, recreational facilities and parks, this beautifully landscaped, low-maintenance unit offers great convenience with absolutely no owner's corporation fees. Come with me, I'll show you around. This unique property is fully fenced and located on an elevated lot, approximately 281 square meters, and it features a freshly painted stunning facade, 3 spacious bedrooms including a master with a walk-in robe and ensuite. A cozy living room and a fully renovated modern kitchen with newly installed luxury graded splashbacks, benchtops, modern sink, cooktop and blinds. Enjoy a lovely entertaining area and an easy care synthetic lawn right at the back. Perfect for relaxing mornings and summer evenings with family and friends. The home also includes a double remote garage, gas ducted heating, evaporative cooling, split system AC, a dishwasher and a security system. Convenience and potential. This property is a must-see in a quiet neighborhood that you'll fall in love in ever-growing Berwick. Give me a call 048 0101 966 for an inspection. Don't miss out.